You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you call this Mexican state? For more names of different states and vocabulary from Mexico, make sure to stay tuned. Nuevo, meaning new or new in Spanish. Nuevo, of course the V is pronounced like a B. León. Now the accent on the O indicates that the stress is on the on syllable, okay? So it's not León, but León. León, meaning the new León. León being a city in Spain. Nuevo León. Nuevo León is how it's said in Spanish. In English you can say it as Nuevo León. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.